Welcome back to another edition of Cannabis in Canada with Jason Wilcox. We're today here on the beach. I'm about to go in the ocean. It's really at the hypothermic point. There's no lifeguards, there's nobody on the beach. I'm medicating just to get ready, but this is my last swim of the year out in the ocean, and hopefully the papa bears here don't come down and give me crap for medicating on the beach again. So I'm gonna go with my kid and I'm gonna head way the hell out there, and we're gonna actually try and light a joint on my back. The water's a little bit choppy, but we're gonna try and test the Medtainer up front and personal. That one's for you, JB. We'll see you in the water. The Medtainer has worked for the first part and failed for the second part. But I managed to get my joint lit. So yeah, thumbs up for part one, John, and didn't work for part two. So John Barrowfellow, Medtainer. Then again, we went a couple miles out, so good swim, last swim of the year. See you in the next show.